Hi, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back. If you're returning, I hope that you're having an amazing day. Lots of warm cyber hugs out to you. And if you're new to the channel, I'm so glad you found our video. Hopefully, after this video, you want to subscribe and become a part of our holistic healing community, where we do unboxings of all different types of spiritual items that can be utilized in rituals and ceremonies to enrich your life and enhance yourself in all ways to grow mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. Today, we're going to be opening Mindful Souls. And Mindful Souls is a monthly subscription box. It is $39.97 per month and gives you 6 to 8 handpicked items. All the subscription information will be in the video description below. And I do get it on a monthly basis, and so they may have price differences if you order more months at a time. There's also a coupon code Karma25 in the video description that will give you 25% off your first box. So before we get into this month's box, let's review what we got in last month's box and give an update on any of the items that I've used. In last month's box, we received the black obsidian crystal, and it was really pretty. And obsidian is so nice to work with, and it's so grounding and balancing. And I did a meditation with it that was really beautiful. The frankincense essential aroma oil, that actually will get passed on to someone else. The glass Buddha keychain, same thing. I don't really use keychains, so that went in the giveaway drawer. The notebook journal, and that was pretty. It's in my box of journals and stuff to use when I need to pull out a journal to use. The gold sandstone necklace, and that was absolutely mesmerizing. You could look at that and meditate and, you know, really do some really intricate inner work looking at all the gold sparkles, especially here in Arizona with the sunlight sparkling off it. The ocean jasper bracelet, and that was absolutely beautiful, and I love wearing jasper. It brings so much happiness into my life. So that's what we got last month. Mindful Souls, although I really enjoy the box, doesn't really have a theme. So it kind of just seems like they take different things from their store and pull together a box. It's worth the money that you spend on it, but I'm not quite sure if it's worth more than the money you spend on it, where a lot of my boxes you're spending $50 and getting $200 worth of items. So let's get into this month's box and see what we think. Was it worth the $39.97 this month? So as you open up the box, you've got the card on top that gives us our description that I'll show you in a minute. And then you've usually got an affirmation card, and I do really enjoy those from them. Looks like a little sticker. And then you've got other bags in there with your items for the month. So first, let's start with the affirmation sticker. And I put these all over my house, and I really have enjoyed them. They're probably one of the things I like most about the box. Affirmation for happiness. Every day, in every way, I am getting happier and happier. Nice little huggy. Beautiful. This is a gorgeous sticker. It kind of reminds me of a Buddha. Really pretty. I love all the colors in it. And then we have our card with all of our items on it that we'll read about as we pull out of the box. So first thing I see is a bag. It looks like of some type of herbs. Looks like some leaves that's crunched up. I'm not sure what. Nice size bag. See if it smells. Really good, but it's really light. Yerba Santa. Yerba Santa leaves. Herba Santa, also called the holy herb, was traditionally used as a smudge or incense for protection and setting boundaries. Its uplifting scent is also used for love, purification, growth, empowerment, and beauty, and the release of emotional pain stored in the heart chakra. Now, on the picture, it shows a little abalone shell with it, so I don't know if the shell's in there or maybe it's in one of the other bags. Let's see. See if I can feel it in here. I don't see one, and it crunches like, so I don't see one in the bag. Maybe they just did that with the picture to show you that you needed to burn it on something. But I do love Herba Santa, and it's really nice to have kind of some wood chips that I can throw onto a charcoal incense. So that's really nice. It looks like the leaves. Very nice. Okay. I know what this is. Rose rope incense. And this is a Tibetan incense. That's why I'm familiar with it. As it comes out, it looks like this. And I have an incense burner that I'll go get in just a second, but you hang the incense right on the hook and then you burn it from the bottom. So let me go get that really quick. Okay. So here's the incense burner. And I love this incense burner because you can do so much with it. So in the very top here, you have a space where you could put cone incense, or you could put charcoal in there and burn stuff like that. Then on the inside, it has down in the bottom, you can't really see it, but it does have down in the bottom 3 different places where you could put incense sticks. And then on the top here, clean them off a little bit. On the top here is where that hook is. See that little hook? And that hook then is where you hook these incense on. So you hook 2 of them on. Get them hooked on. So it hooks on just like that. And then you just light the bottom there. And then you just light the bottom there and burn it. And then you put it back in. And then the smoke comes out all the sides here, and it's so pretty. This one is actually from Tibet, so it's kind of ancient and kind of beat up, but I absolutely love it. So that's how I burn my Tibetan rope incense. I've seen other people get them and they're not quite sure what to do with them and how to burn them. If I don't have an incense burner like that, I can still just take the rope incense and pull another one out. You do just want to kind of scooch them out of the package as slowly as you can. Once you get a couple of them out, even if a couple of them break, that one doesn't want to come out. Once you get, there we go. Oh, it broke. Once you get a couple of them out, then they'll come out easier and you won't break them like I just did. But this one's okay because I can lay it down on a dish, and you just still light this red end right here and then lay it down in your dish or in your shell or whatever you're going to use to burn your incense. Rose Tibetan rope incense, 45 sticks. The rose is the symbol of love and purity. This incense is said to have a soothing effect on the emotions, particularly grief, depression, and resentment. It lifts the heart and eases nervous tension and stress. Use while meditating or whenever you need just a bit of a boost in your everyday. And the smell is so amazing with this Tibetan rope incense. It's just a really beautiful smoke and beautiful smell. Okay, we've got a ball here. My guess is a bath bomb. And it's wrapped in plastic afterwards. Looks like it has some yummy salts and stuff on it. It's kind of a fun, it says green tea bath bomb. A green tea bath can aid with relaxation and detoxification. It is an antioxidant and softens the skin. The green tea relaxes the body, calms the mind, and may ease certain types of pain. Tea baths are great to ease or heal skin conditions, to relax the muscles, and ease pain of your bruises. I love bath bombs, you know. I make my own and I love getting them. I use them as often as I can. We have 3 bags left. Here's our first one. Oh, pretty. So last time we got black obsidian. It looks like this time we got tourmaline. And tourmaline has some of the coolest little ridges on it. See those ridges right there? That's what I love about tourmaline. I sit there and run my fingers up and down those ridges all the time. So nice big piece. You know, again, not something that I typically wear, but it is nice to have in my giveaway gift drawer kind of thing. And then when I have a client who needs a black tourmaline, this is perfect to be able to gift to them. Black tourmaline is a very effective stone to use if you want to keep the bad luck or negativity away. It has also been used since the ancient times for safety and protection. You can wear a black tourmaline when you meditate, or place your black tourmaline next to you on your bed so that you will have the most peaceful and restful sleep. When you're traveling or driving, you can place it in the car or slip it inside your clothes for added protection. Very nice. And I wear black tourmaline every day on this because of my moldavite here. It's got moldavite, a herkimer, and then the black tourmaline, because moldavite kind of puts your energy out into the stars, because it's it's actually not a crystal. It's made through meteorites and such. So, and then the black tourmaline kind of helps balance that all out and keep you grounded and keep you protected. Next, looks like we have a malachite, I guess, pendulum. Really pretty malachite. Can't get it to turn around. Put some really pretty lines in there, right? Nice long chain, heavy duty chain. It's got the malachite bead on the end. But I like having nice long chains because it just depends on what you're doing, and where that will balance on you might be very different from where it balances on someone else. Malachite pendulum. Malachite is also known as a stone of transformation. It will help you deal with the many changes that can happen in your life because it stimulates clear thinking and controlled emotions. This is one of the most beautiful stones you will ever see, so it's no surprise that it is often used for jewelry, as when it is placed very close to the body, it can harness your energy field. Very pretty. And last but not least, our last little baggie. Ooh, pretty. Don't know what it is. Not quite sure. It is really pretty though. It's almost like all creamy, and then it's got some yellow stripes going through it. Oh. Mookaite. 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 I've never heard of it, have you? Boasts of a bold and earthly elegance that can catch your eye and leave you captivated. It is the stone of the here and now, making you appreciate the past, enjoy the present, and look forward to the future. Wearing or carrying mookaite with you will keep you safe from harm because it is a highly protective stone. It is associated with the second chakra, so placing it in this area will bring about deeper healing. Put it under your pillow while you sleep to improve your health or speed up your recovery. And the picture they have looks very different than the stone that I got. There's the picture. So it looks like almost a dark orangey. So very different looking stone than their picture. But that's really pretty. I like that. So in the box this month, we got the Mookaite Stone, the green tea bath bomb, the Malachite Pendulum, the dark Tourmaline necklace, the rose Tibetan rope incense, and the Yerba Santa leaves. So you can kind of see it doesn't really fit a theme that they keep to for the month. I do think the items in the box were worth what I spent on it, but I don't know that I would say that it's worth tons more than the $40 that you spend on the box. That's just my honest opinion. What do you guys think? Do you think it's worth the $39.97? And what do you think about it that they don't really do a theme? Interested to get your opinions. Anyway, thanks for spending the time with me. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's your friend. Bye, y'all.